everyone, this is Caleb Gutierrez, your Communication Committee Chairman, and thanks so much for tuning in to this month's announcement video. First up, we have our Student Council Annual Donation Drive. This is such an important thing, and it's a great thing that's going on. All of your donations that you make are going to be used to improve Student Council and to all of our different events that we have going on, such as our face-to-face events, our Shark Week events, and even your graduation. So this is the time. All donations are going to be in increments of $10. That's all we ask for. Parents, teachers, students, everyone can donate by clicking on this link here. And when you click on that link, it's going to also show you a calendar where you can see the prizes that you get. Every time you make a donation, you get entered for a chance to win fantastic prizes that have been donated from businesses. This is a great opportunity. We really look forward to all of your fantastic donations. Thanks so much. Next up, we have our field trip spotlight meeting. This is going to be on February 28th at 11 a.m. If you're going to our field trip to Busch Gardens in Tampa, you're going to want to come to this meeting because we're going to explain everything that's going on. We're going to give you the schedule, and you can find out all the information you need to go to have an amazing field trip. Also, we have a fantastic festival that's coming up. It's also a field trip that is sponsored by our Spanish Honor Society and Spanish teachers. So thank you so much to them for sponsoring this. It's going to be a fantastic time with live salsa music and dancing and amazing Latin food. It's going to be great. Definitely want to get there. It's going to be March 8th at 12 o'clock. So we look forward to seeing all of you guys there. All this information can be found in our banner. And this is our banner button right here, guys. It constantly changes and updates. Sometimes it gets moved around side to side over here. But if you click on it, you could always get information and stay up to date on what's going on. So definitely check that frequently. And as a reminder, we do have our website. We have a special section of the senior class website. You can find that by clicking here. And also you'll see at the top right corner is where the student council section is if you pull up the website. And don't forget, we always offer you fantastic ways to study. These are all scientifically proven ways to improve your studying so you can get ready for all those exams that you need. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can email any of our fantastic sponsors at their emails here. And as always, don't forget to follow us on all of our social media platforms. And please don't forget to subscribe to our Mega News Network. It's so important, and we appreciate every single one of your followers and subscriptions. They are awesome. Thank you so much for tuning in to this month's announcement video. I hope all of you have a fantastic day and can't wait to see you in all of our amazing Student Council events. Bye.